As public markets saw increased interest, so did private markets. In 2025, venture funding into crypto startups saw a 22% year-over-year YoY increase to $16.8 billion, with a focus on later stage, mature startups. While M&A activity did contract in 2025, we also saw the largest M&A deals in crypto history happen this year with Coinbase's $2.9 billion acquisition of Deribit, Kraken's $1.5 billion acquisition of NinjaTrader, Ripple's $1.25 billion acquisition of Hidden Road, and Stripe's $1.1 billion acquisition of Bridge. On the crypto trading front, we saw a significant year for crypto options. Open interest on crypto options exchanges saw a 78% YTD increase to $51 billion, while total annual volumes are projected to be $1.8 trillion, an 85% YoY increase. This increase was primarily driven by BTC options on Deribit and ETH options on Binance, with OKX also seeing its options volumes nearly doubling. That said, options still make a small share of derivatives volumes, capturing just 4% of the volumes from futures products. Futures volumes on centralized crypto exchanges, specifically perpetual futures, saw relatively lower growth in 2025 due to the surge in the popularity of decentralized perpetual futures protocols like Hyperliquid, which we briefly discuss in the following sections. In 2025, perpetual futures exchanges generated $41 trillion in aggregate annualized trading volumes, a 32% increase from the year prior, while YoY open interest decreased by 9% to $54 billion. Spot trading volumes across exchanges saw minimal growth, with a 13% YoY increase from $18.8 trillion in 2024 to $21.2 trillion in 2025. Also tied to the theme of an increase in usage amongst decentralized alternatives. And while Bitcoin reached new highs of over $126,000 in early October, a flash crash on October 10 saw tens of billions of dollars in liquidations across markets, ultimately pushing the YTD return of the world's largest cryptocurrency into the red. As of the time of this report, it is still debated what the catalyst for the October 10 flash crash was, but the industry is still grappling with its ripple effects. There were, however, pockets of thematic strength in the market this year. 2024 was the breakout year for meme coins, with the entire market captivated by cryptocurrencies featuring logos of various animals, cultural icons, and inside jokes. The appeal of the meme coin trend was easy to understand. Amid an aggressive regulatory environment, the easiest way to avoid an enforcement letter from local enforcement agencies was to launch a valueless token with no utility. The popularity of meme coins ultimately reached President Trump's inner circle, with his associates launching Trump and Melania branded meme coins days before his presidential inauguration. Since then, meme coins have seen their appeal slowly taper off, as the market found new interests. At its peak in November 2024, the meme coin sector accounted for roughly 6.7% of the total market cap of cryptocurrencies. A year later, they account for closer to 3%. The first major theme this year for cryptocurrencies was crypto AI agents. On the back of Continuous enthusiasm around AI companies such as Nvidia and OpenAI. In the traditional tech world, crypto saw its own mini bubble with projects building AI infrastructure and AI apps such as Virtuals and AIXBT, skyrocketing in valuation, ultimately peaking at 0.78% of the total crypto market cap in January. Briefly after the crypto AI momentum was the continuous growth of the perpetual decentralized exchange (perp DEX) sector, led by the breakout star of 2025, Hyperliquid. As of the publishing of this report, volumes on perp DEXs continue to break new highs against centralized perpetual exchanges, making up over 18% of their trading volumes. In August, Hyperliquid alone reached nearly 14% of Binance's futures trading volumes. A momentous feat considering the latter is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume that had a multi-year head start against the former. Perp DEXs as a sector currently make up only 0.49% of the total cryptocurrency market, peaking at 0.59% in September. But, compared to other sectors this year, the trend nearing the end of the year, we saw a rise in interest in privacy coins, led primarily by Zcash. While privacy coins have been around for nearly a decade, there was a sudden surge in interest amongst traders in September, with the price of ZEC increasing by over 1,200% in a 2-month span. This momentum also led to associated privacy coins like Monero's XMR to see positive price action over the same period. Currently, the top privacy coins make up slightly over 0.6% of the total cryptocurrency market cap.